created by the traditional approach, right? Where you have the name, the parentheses, the curly brace, and you have your block of code, exempting the keyword function in this case. But this is the traditional approach, very similar to the traditional approach of creating functions, but in this case it's a method, right? So we are going to try to access the method in this class. The method in this class, let's say my name. So I'm going to do instance, right? Instance dot we can omit this, right? So we're going to do instance dot my name, right? And just you'd expect to get from the logs, you should expect to get my name, which is Mujib, right? So let's see what we have. Oh, okay, we don't need this, right? We do not need this, right? We do not need this. Right, so we have what we have Mujib. So now there's a problem when we try to assign this method to a variable and call that function variable, right? So let's do something like this. So let's say let new function, right? My new function equals to, we are going to assign this method, right? This instance of this class, a method from it to the new variable. We are going to assign that. So we have instance dot my name, right? Instance of my name. Then let's try and call this function and see what we are going to have. What do we have? We have what? An error. You see, we have an error. New function is not a function. We get an error, right, when we do this. So let's also do something now. We are going to use another approach to create. We are going to create the same class, right? But a method of that class, we are going to use arrow function to create that. So let's say class, right? Me class second, right? All right. So we have our constructor function, right? Then we say this dot name